Hey everybody, this is Mark from Mark's Home Hobbies. How are you? Long time no see. Sorry about the little pause in videos there. I had some life things go on, so I had to take care of those. Anyways, today's video is going to be about the Mars, Heybike Mars e-bike unboxing. And yeah, so I'm going to take you through the process and see what it looks like here. As far as I know, I haven't seen anybody else that has done an unboxing of one of these particular bikes on here. Just to give you some facts, this bike was purchased off of Amazon for $999 plus tax. Yeah, so I'm not getting paid or anything by anybody to do this video. I just thought it was interesting. The subject of e-bikes is quite popular now. So yeah, it arrived just like this. It's been abused. It was shipped from California, Azusa, California. And notice what it says on there. Please keep this packaging for at least 30 days. And it has some warnings on there, which we'll go ahead and read. But I think we all know. That's what it looks like when it's open. It's pretty well packed. It's got some extra styrofoam in here. Just big chunks that they threw in there. Might be able to make something out of that. Yeah, some pieces, little sheets. And it's surrounded by sheets of 1/4 inch thick expanded polyfoam. So yeah, we'll keep all that stuff. So first thing we're doing is pulling out all the packaging. Yeah, this is the seat. It has the suspension post, and that's one of the reasons why I got this bike. Yeah, and it has a good, pretty thick memory foam seat. Also, this is the box of goodies right here with the pedals. The pedals look kind of cheap. I may replace them with some aluminum ones at some point. We give you a tool bag here with some open-end wrenches, some Allen wrenches, owner's manual, and there's a charger down in there too. So I won't. Yep, and there she sits, the Heybike Mars 20-inch fat tire with suspension seat and front shock suspension and lighting system and rack. 500 watt, and that could be more than a 500 watt. It's rated at 500, but it doesn't say whether that's peak or not. So it's got a 48 volt battery, and it's 12.5 amps. So that's pretty good sized battery. We're charging her up right now. Should be ready to go in a couple more hours. I'll try to take you on a little ride here as good as I can with my crappy phone. I like this bike. It's really nice. I mean, well thought out and very clean. And I like the little red accents on the tires there. It has a pretty decent headlight there. I think we'll just go with that for now. It's got Shimano gears on there. It's probably the entry level stuff. It has a pretty good display system, although you probably can't see it in this light too good. Pretty good display setup arrangement. Nice comfortable handle grips here. Decent hardware, aluminum hardware on there, not no plastic. The locking mechanism right here seems pretty substantial. I took the battery out and everything and clamped the seat down. It's probably going to have to raise the seat up a little bit, but not too bad. I'm just going to, I installed the pedals, and I hooked up the fork to the stem right here with an Allen wrench. So you really only need two tools in about 10-15 minutes worth of time, and that's it. And it's assembled and ready to go, and it's nice. Hardly any scratches on there from shipping, just a couple of really small ones, and I think with a black Sharpie real carefully I can fix those up and no one will be the wiser. So overall, I'm very happy. I am. I haven't even rode it yet, and already I'm happy about the bike because it seems very well done. You know, somebody thought a little bit about it and actually cared to put a good product out there. Another thing I like about this bike versus the others is instead of having the battery up here where the center of gravity is all wrong, it has it back here right underneath where you sit, which will greatly improve the ride quality and the handling of the bike. All the cables are neatly routed. They don't go through the frame, but oh well. It has a very sturdy rack on the back that's already attached. I checked all the bolts are all nice and tight. It has a brake light and a warning light system and reflectors. It has the ever popular Shimano gear system there. Probably the most basic one, but that's a good one. It has a pants guard on the main sprocket there. It has the seat with suspension. Another bonus feature that no other $1,000 bikes have. Alright, here's the Heybike Mars. And the battery's all charged up here, ready to go. I already took it for a little test spin. It's a blast. Goes a little over 20 miles an hour, which is fine. I'm sure there's some kind of code or hack or something that you can get into the little computer and raise that up to probably 25. So I'm excited to find out about that kind of stuff. The brakes work really good. I adjusted them a little bit. I haven't really checked the headlight or the tail light yet, but it's pretty easy to work. First off, you just have to go down here to the key and turn it on. And then once it's on, you just hold down this power button right here, and then the screen will come up like that. And go through diagnostics, and then you're ready to go. You can see I already put 0.8 miles on it, and I went around the block. I'm in strictly throttle mode right now, so that means I don't have to pedal unless I want to. I'm in 7th gear over here, so I'm not going to really be starting out pedaling. I'm just going to be starting out on throttle. So I got the seat all the way down, so it's going to be hard to pedal anyways. I'm kind of tall, but let me tell you, this thing is bigger than you might expect. So anyways, I'm going to try to do this one-handed here because I don't have a body mount or anything, so I got to kind of watch what I'm doing, but I'll just show you how she rides and how she goes. So I'm going to have to keep my hands on the dashboard here because this thing really takes off. Careful on these curves here. Harder to do this than it looks with one hand. Alright, a little quality drive time here on my new Heybike Mars. She runs pretty doggone good. And even though it's pretty bumpy Detroit streets here, it still rides good. Sorry for that bumpy footage there. Had to put both hands on the handlebars. Alright, and pulling back up at the Ponderosa here. Alright, and that concludes a trial ride on the Heybike Mars. Very nice folding, all aluminum alloy, black, very nice comfortable hand grips, adjustable handlebars. Like I said before, all suspension. So you can buy one for more, but this one has the features. So anyways, this is Mark from Mark's Home Hobbies saying thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.